Imagine owning your own coastal retreat here at Whiteacres Holiday Park. There are so many wonderful benefits to owning your own holiday home. From taking a break whenever you fancy and enjoying priceless moments with family and friends, to discovering amazing new places and experiencing endless, incredible adventures. Set in 184 acres of rolling Cornish countryside and not far from Newquay and its incredible beaches, Whiteacres has everything you could possibly need for your very own holiday retreat. There's plenty to explore right on your doorstep here in Cornwall, so the choice of outings is endless. As well as the incredible location, the park itself has fantastic facilities for all the family. The park has an incredible 13 fishing lakes, a heated indoor pool with hot tub and sauna, and an amazing restaurant too. Plus, as an owner, you'll join the friendly community, have access to exclusive events and many more owner benefits. It matters to us that you find the perfect match when choosing your holiday home. The Parkdean Resorts Collection includes a great range of new and approved used caravans and lodges for sale at Whiteacres, giving you unrivaled choice and flexibility to find the perfect holiday home that meets your needs and budget. With monthly payment schemes and flexible finance options too, owning your own holiday home at Whiteacres could be more affordable than you think. We want you to be able to enjoy all the fun and freedom that comes from owning your own holiday home, and our friendly professional team will guide you throughout to help make your holiday home ownership dream a reality. Whether it's spontaneous breaks for two, holidays for all the family, or memories that will last forever with the grandchildren, your holiday home lets you do it all. Inquire now about our caravans and lodges for sale at Whiteacres Holiday Park.